My name's Daryl Martin. I'm a senior lecturer in the department. I've been in the department as a lecturer for more than 10 years. But before that, I did my doctoral study in the department, and I was actually a part-time master's before that, master's student. My areas of interest are in the sociology of architecture and urban development, with a particular interest in architecture for health and social care. The research culture, I would describe it as encouraging, empathic, and excited by ideas. Being a relatively small department, that is really good in terms of the proximity between all members of staff, early career researchers, PhD students, and also our other students as well. It's quite an inclusive scholarly community, I would say, in which we're all trying to support each other through formal means. So, some of the structures that the research committee has put in place and the department more generally, but also informally as well. And we like to try and get people to um, kind of own some of those scholarly activities in our department, whether it's putting on seminar programs, whether it's taking training in various aspects of research culture. I would say that we do have a flat structure. We have structures there, as is entirely appropriate in terms of there being particular committees where you might kind of look at accessing funding to help with, I don't know, a conference trip or putting on a conference of some kind. So there's kind of mechanisms that are formal there in place, but they don't feel formal and kind of restrictive in the way that sometimes they can. So it does feel flat, and that's because there is approachability between people who take senior leadership and management responsibilities in the area of research and people who are kind of like need to tap into the support they provide. So there's a kind of good lines of communication and not a strong sense of hierarchy in terms of our kind of cultures.